What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. In today's video is gonna be a beautiful trade light video. Me as a normal trader, I'm not a guru trader, so there's nothing here to hide. Today I took two back-to-back trades. Show me one trader who could predict this type of price action. And I'm doing those videos to show you guys that the trading is so unpredictable. Even if you do have the best bias ever, you still can get stopped out and then to hit the TP. Either you can, do whatever he wants. At the end of the day, the trading is kind of gambling. We just anticipating the price action to go in our way, but it's nothing what we can do about it to try to predict 100% where the trading goes to. The only thing what we can do is to manage our risk, to don't overtrade, and to follow our rules, and just to make sure we done for the day. You're taking 1 or 2 losses, for example, how I do. The most what I can do in one day is 2 L's, and I'm risking from my FTMO account 0.25 per trade because I'm sitting in the drawdown. It's not because I'm unprofitable, but because obviously as every single trader, I did something wrong. I watched a YouTube video. I tried to pass my FTMO real quick, and I was risking by 1% per trade. And in 1 or 2 days, I just literally from almost 3% profit, I went down to -7% in 2 days. I didn't lost my challenge, but still, since then, I just say that by the time I need to pass this, I don't really want to lose it. So I start risking 0.25% per trade to get out of drawdown, and then we'll get back to normal risking by 0.5 per trade, and I still will gonna try to pass it. But you can subscribe to my channel and follow me up. I'm not that type of trader who's gonna hide something. I'm posting the losses, I'm posting the profitable trades, I'm posting 1-to-1 trades, I'm posting 1-to-2 trades. It's all, every time is different opportunity, and you have to get advantage of. Me personally, I really don't mind to take 1-to-1 trades. If it's gonna be a winner, it is what it is. I can take 2 losses in a row. 1-to-1 trade is still good for me. So if I can get more than that, that's cool, that's great. Leave a comment down below if you do have any questions. Please subscribe. And yeah, guys, as usual, your boy is here to show up the reality of trading, because the reality of trading is not how people flashing in the internet on YouTube, they got mentions, they're doing $100,000 per day in one trade. I don't know, maybe they know something what I don't know, but we're gonna move forward and see how my trading career is gonna end up. So yeah, make sure you're gonna like this video and watch it to the end. Peace and love, guys.